Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The founder of Susan Dennis-Agbai Foundation, Mrs. Susan Dennis, says she will continue to support the poor and vulnerable as well as create a conducive environment for widows and orphans to thrive in the society. Mrs. Dennis, who stated this during an event organized to celebrate the 5th anniversary of the foundation recently in Port Harcourt, also presented startup packs and cash support to orphans who were trained in various skills acquisition programs and distributed food items to widows from 4 states of Rivers, Imo, Lagos, and Benue.
The Susan Dennis-Agbai Foundation recently brought together widows and orphans who have been under its care across 4 states of Rivers, Imo, Lagos, and Benue to Port Harcourt to celebrate its 5th anniversary, which featured the graduation ceremony of the 2023 Skills Acquisition Training Program, the launch of the foundation's auditorium, and the final round of the monthly distribution of food items to widows for the year. The founder of the foundation, Mrs. Susan Dennis, while looking back at the sour and sweet experiences of the past years and the enormous needs of widows across the country, said she was not backing down on her commitment to support the less privileged.
My aim is, let's gather ourselves in love. Let's do what we can do to help each other grow and reduce the rate of this we feeling we are the worst ones in the society, because that is how people perceive widows. The
Susan Dennis-Agbai Foundation is a charity organization officially incorporated with the Corporate Affairs Commission in 2019 by Mrs. Susan Dennis to cater for the needs of the downtrodden in society, with a special focus on widows and orphans. Some excited widows and orphans who have benefited from the empowerment programs of the foundation share their stories.
When her stuff came to us in our group there, it was when almost majority of the people had nothing to feed on, not to talk of clothing. She fed us, she gave us some cash.
I learned how to make clothes. I make both for ladies and men. With the skill I have learned so far, I will be able to earn a living.
The founder also enjoined individuals, corporate bodies, and the government to lend their voices and resources in the struggle for a safe and conducive society for the disadvantaged to thrive.
As long as you have 3 square meals, you're comfortable. You could pick 1 widow. You mustn't pick 2. 1 is okay. And I think with this, we'll do a lot.
Susan Dennis-Agbai Foundation for the past 5 years has reached over 1,000 widows and sponsored hundreds of orphans in school and vocational education. The foundation also provides a platform where widows regularly meet to pray and interact.
Inside the Niger Delta,